Without pushing your limits, without occasionally sliding down the rope head first, without daring greatly, you will never know what is truly possible in your life. William H. McRaven, Make Your Bed. Life is full of challenges. We must put food on the table and have a warm bed to sleep in. As social creatures, we require the company of others to thrive. However, understanding and accepting others and ourselves can be difficult. Life is unpredictable. It is the ultimate challenge, and that is hard to embrace. Those who exhibit the courage to accept themselves, others, and life are the ones who can boldly face any other challenges that come their way. One kind word advises reaching our potential through cultivating acceptance and courage.